The benefits of using clove oil for toothache. Having a toothache can be one of the most uncomfortable experiences, as the pain can be throbbing, pulsing and irritating. It is important to visit a dentist as soon as possible to treat the cause, which could be inflamed gums, a hole in the tooth, tooth decay, cracked teeth, infections or abscesses. Whatever the case, you may wish to soothe the pain immediately at home, as it can be very uncomfortable. Let's take a look at the benefits of using clove oil and some simple instructions to use this easily at home. You will need 3 drops of clove oil, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, a small bowl, and some cotton swabs. Method: mix the clove oil and olive oil together in a small bowl. Soak the cotton swab with the mixture and gently apply this to the painful area in the mouth. Be very delicate when applying this mixture. Allow the oil to sit for 5 to 10 minutes and you will notice the pain starting to diminish. Reapply this every 2 to 3 hours for fast relief, and see a dentist as soon as possible. Now, let's explain how this remedy works and some additional advice. 1. Clove oil is a very concentrated product which is made using steam distillation of cloves in the clove tree. These are small dried flower buds which were originally grown in Indonesia. 2. This essential oil is rich in a natural compound called Eugenol, which is a natural anaesthetic. 3. Applying this to the gums helps to reduce the pain because it has a numbing effect on the tissue. This helps to reduce sensitivity to the nerves, which are the source of the pain. 4. Clove oil actively reduces swelling in this affected area, which essentially takes pressure off the nerve. 5. It is very important to dilute clove oil with a carrier oil such as olive oil because it is highly concentrated. You may also use coconut oil if you prefer. 6. A British scientific study showed that eugenol found in clove oil is the most effective analgesic for relieving pain, inflammation and infections in the mouth. 7. Be aware that clove oil has a naturally unpleasant taste. Do not swallow or ingest clove oil directly, as this could cause an upset stomach, a burning sensation in the nose or throat, or breathing difficulties. 8. Avoid giving undiluted clove oil to children, as they may swallow this by mistake. Ensure that you do dilute the oil using a carrier oil to make it easier for the child to tolerate it. 9. This is a short-term solution for relieving mouth and tooth pain, however it is very important that you visit a dentist as soon as possible for a long-term solution. 10. The most common cause of tooth pain is a small hole in the tooth, which leads to sensitivity and pressure on the nerve beneath it. 11. Trapped debris from food can also lead to infections and loss of the tooth if left untreated. 12. Before using clove oil, we highly recommend swishing the mouth with warm water mixed with 1 teaspoon of salt. This saline solution helps to further reduce the pain and also clean the mouth before this home treatment. 13. Thoroughly flossing and cleaning the teeth can also help, but do not use any sharp objects such as toothpicks in the mouth. Often these become trapped and can lead to further pain and complications. 14. You may also take ibuprofen tablets orally as a natural pain relief to help reduce inflammation and swelling. 15. To protect your teeth, gums and oral hygiene in the future, we recommend regularly swishing with wheatgrass juice mixed with water. This is one of the best natural mouthwashes in the world and can help to protect against cavities and the erosion of tooth enamel. 16. To keep the teeth strong, we recommend consuming foods rich in trace minerals such as mussels, clams, crab meat, seaweed and walnuts. In our other videos, we discuss the benefits of many other superfoods, natural remedies and health solutions. To learn more, please visit our channel, Ryan Taylor Natural Remedies. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.